Ever pondered on ways to make some extra cash while keeping your day job? Welcome to the world of side hustles. It's the year 2024, and side hustles are no longer just a trend, they've become a necessity. With rising living costs and stagnant salaries, having a secondary income can be a game changer. It's not just about the money though. Side hustles offer you the opportunity to pursue your passions, develop new skills, and even transition into a new career. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore 5 fantastic side hustle ideas that are not just trendy, but could turn into your next cash cow. From freelancing and e-commerce to online courses and real estate crowdfunding, we've got you covered. So, whether you're looking to make some extra money or yearning to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, these side hustles could be your ticket to financial flexibility. Stay tuned as we delve into 5 fantastic side hustle ideas that could be your next cash cow. Unleash your skills on the world with the first side hustle idea, Freelance Services. Now, what does freelancing entail? It's about taking your talent, be it writing, designing, programming, or any other skill, and offering it to the world. And how do you do that? Through platforms like Upwork and Fiverr that connect you with clients in need of your expertise. Freelancing is not just about earning money, it's about freedom and flexibility. You choose your projects, you set your rates, and most importantly, you work on your own terms. You're not tied down to a 9-to-5 job, instead, you're your own boss, carving your own path. And the best part? Your potential earnings are only limited by the amount of work you're willing to put in. So if you're ready to take the leap and turn your talent into treasure, freelancing could be your golden ticket. Turn your talent into treasure with Freelance Services. Dreamt of having an online store? Make it a reality with our second side hustle idea, e-commerce adventure. The world of e-commerce is vast and rich with potential. You can transform your craft into cash by selling handmade items, or even curate a collection of unique products from around the world. Platforms such as Shopify and Etsy are your launch pads into this exciting venture. They provide you with the tools to set up a virtual storefront and connect with customers globally. It's not just about selling, it's about creating value and delivering it to people's doorsteps. And the best part? You can do this from the comfort of your own home, at your own pace. Whether you're a passionate artist, a vintage collector, or a trendsetter, there's a place for you in the e-commerce market. So why wait? Embark on your e-commerce adventure today. Become a master of promotion with our third side hustle idea, Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Now, what is affiliate marketing, you ask? Picture this. You're a fan of a product or service and you naturally recommend it to your friends, right? Now imagine getting paid for those recommendations. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You promote a product or service you love, and for every sale made through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. You can promote these products or services through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts. Remember that authenticity is key in affiliate marketing. Promote products you genuinely love and believe in, and your audience will trust your recommendations. Master the art of affiliate marketing and watch the commissions roll in. It's a win-win situation where you're earning money while helping your audience discover great products and services. How cool is that? Got knowledge to share? Turn it into cash with our fourth side hustle idea, online courses and consulting. In the age of digital enlightenment, people are constantly seeking to expand their horizons, and they're turning to the internet to do it. This is where you come in. You can tap into this thirst for knowledge by sharing your own expertise. Think about it. You've got a unique skill set, a lifetime of experience, and a wealth of knowledge. Why not package that into an online course? Platforms like Udemy make it easy for you to create, host, and sell your courses to millions of eager learners all over the world. You can teach anything from coding to cooking, marketing to mindfulness. The opportunities are endless. But what if you prefer a more personal approach? Well, consulting could be your ticket. You can offer one-on-one sessions, helping individuals or businesses overcome challenges and reach their goals. Whether you're a fitness guru, a business whiz, or a master in any field, there's likely someone out there who could benefit from your guidance. And the best part? You're not just earning money. You're also making a difference by empowering others with knowledge. So why not turn your wisdom into wealth, share your wisdom and get paid for it? Fancy dipping your toes into the world of property investment? Try our fifth side hustle idea, real estate crowdfunding. Now you might be wondering, what is real estate crowdfunding? Well, it's a way to invest in property without needing to buy an entire building or house. Instead, you and a bunch of other investors pool your funds together to purchase a piece of the property pie. This is where platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul come into play. These platforms act as the middlemen, connecting you with real estate opportunities that were previously only accessible to high net worth individuals or institutional investors. Let's say there's a commercial property worth $1 million. Traditionally, you'd need a substantial amount of capital to invest, but with crowdfunding, you could potentially get in on the action for as little as a few $100s. You and hundreds or even thousands of other investors come together to collectively own a piece of the property. Over time, as the property appreciates in value or generates rental income, you'll receive a portion of the profits proportional to your investment. This allows you to benefit from the real estate market's growth without needing a fortune up front. Of course, like any investment, there are risks involved. But with careful planning, due diligence, and a diversified portfolio, real estate crowdfunding can be a lucrative side hustle. Invest in real estate the smart way with crowdfunding. There you have it, 5 side hustle ideas to kick off your journey to financial success in 2024. We've explored freelancing, where your skills are your currency. We've ventured into the exciting world of e-commerce, where your dream of owning an online store can become a reality. We've uncovered the potential in affiliate marketing, a win-win solution for you and the brands you love. We've discussed sharing your wisdom through online courses and consulting, because your unique expertise is a commodity. And finally, we've delved into the realm of real estate crowdfunding, a gateway to property investment without breaking the bank. Remember, the world of side hustles is vast and varied. There's something for everyone. So why wait? Dive in, explore these ideas, and start your journey towards financial independence. Can't wait to hear which side hustle idea got you excited. Comment below, subscribe for more hustle-inspiring content, and remember, keep hustling.